Afternoon, everybody. In this section, I want to explain about our research, the effectiveness of combination of pepper betel L and MANUKA honey extract gel spray to accelerating acute wound healing. Let me introduce our team. We are concert 3%. This is Eka Sakti Wahyuning Tias, and then me, Ratna Wijayatri, and Devi Kamala Dewi. We are from Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang. The background of the problem, a wound is a tissue injury that are at risk of infection, therefore treatment of acute wound must be considered carefully. A wound is a condition in which tissue damage occurs due to disruption of tissue continuity caused by injury or surgery. Wounds often occur on the skin, cause damage to the epithelium or damage to the normal anatomical structure of this tissue. We use pepper betel for the active compound. Pepper betel is one of the Indonesian medicinal plant that have many benefits for wound healing. And then several studies have stated that pepper betel has several activities such as anti-cancer, anti-allergic, anti-malarial, antifungal, antibacterial, insecticide, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, gastroprotectant, and wound healing activity. And this pepper betel, we can see more than one active compound like a tannin, phenol, saponin, and flavonoid that play a role in the wound healing process through antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory activities that can accelerate epithelialization and wound grafting. Okay, we also combine with honey. Honey, in a research conducted by Jen, cited that honey also contains vitamin that are believed to heal wound. This vitamin include vitamin E and vitamin C, as well as vitamin B1, B2, and B6, which can help nutrition in the wound healing process. Honey has important characteristics in the wound healing process, such as anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antioxidant activity, the ability to stimulate the process of removing dead tissue or debridement, reducing odor in wound, and maintaining wound moisture, which in turn can help speed up wound healing. We choose a spray gel dosage form because it has advantages over other topical preparation, including being safer, more practical to use, and easier to wash. The stage of our method and material, they are consists of 4 stages. Stage 1, we must preparation of spray gel combination of pepper betel and MANUKA honey. There are consists of 3 formula, or Formula 1, Formula 2, and Formula 3. It's different from the concentration of extract pepper betel L. And then we must preparation for making acute wound for experiment procedure in stage 2. And then macroscopic observation also we must do, and then data analysis. And a preparation of spray gel combination of pepper betel leaf, extract, and MANUKA honey, we use carbopol base with a various concentration of pepper betel extract 1%, 3%, and 5%. The table of formulating of pepper betel leaf extract and MANUKA honey spray gel we can see in this image. There are only one concentration, different concentration in this 3 formula. This is pepper betel extract, and the other is the same formulation. And preparation for making acute wound for experimental procedure, as many as 21 test animal male biopsy musculus mice 5 months old, body weight 20 until 35 grams that have been acclimatized were divided into 7 groups randomly. And then also making acute wounds. Before that, Weymouth anesthesia was performed using a chemical mixture of ketamine and siloxane combined to active chemical. And then wound healing in the mice was evaluated and observed macroscopically on day 1 and on day 0, and wound healing was observed every day until day 14 after wound healing. The group of the test animal intervention, we can see in the table 2. Group intervention 1 caught with SM1, and then intervention 2 caught with SM3, and intervention 3 caught with SM5. The difference is only in a formulation of paper betel leaf concentration 1%, 3%, and 5%. And the other group, we can see group 4, intervention 4, caught with M. The mice only give MANUKA honey, and the other intervention is the same intervention. Mice give acute wound and hydrocolloid dressing and give MANUKA honey. And then control positive, we use oxoferin, and then control negative basis and control negative dressing. Our research result can see in this image. The compression chart and figure shows the change in wound area during the observation period. The graph is the result of the calculation of the ratio of the wound area on the day of observation to initial wound area, namely day 0 to day 14. Based on the graph, it appears that all groups experience almost the same pattern of wound in first 4 days. The wound experienced an increase in the ratio of wound area, then the wound also decreased gradually until the end of the observation. We also can see in this table, the average wound area ratio on day 14 showed that the smallest wound area ratio was oxoferin as a positive control, followed by honey spray gel group, the dressing group, the spray gel group with a combination of paper betel leaf extract and MANUKA honey with a 1%, 3%, and then followed by base and spray gel combination of paper betel leaf extract. And 5 concentration of MANUKA honey didn't have the much different in the wound ratio, but the resulting standard deviation values were very different. And the research conclusion, the combination of paper betel and MANUKA honey can affect antioxidant activity because its ingredient has secondary metabolites that have the potential to interact with each other when combined. The best wound healing activity was in the honey spray gel group, and the treatment group was a spray gel combination of MANUKA honey paper betel, which concentration in 1%. In this future research, it is necessary to carry out further research on wound healing activities in the formulation of spray gel preparation, a combination of green betel leaf extract and MANUKA honey, observe microscopically by histological testing. Okay, thank you for the. I'm so sorry if there are many trouble here. And thank you so much with team of this from Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.